Benefits of krill oil and source. Benefits: excellent source of healthy fats. Can help fight inflammation. Might reduce arthritis and joint pain. Could improve blood lipids and heart health. May help manage PMS symptoms. It's easy to add to your routine. Now Foods, Neptune Krill Oil Review. Description: Cardiovascular Support. 100% Pure NKO. Phospholipid-Bound Omega-3. Supports joint health. NKO Inside. Friend of the Sea. Omega-3/fish oil. Family owned since 1968. A dietary supplement. GMP Quality Assured. Suggested use: take 2 softgels 1 to 3 times daily with food. Other ingredients: softgel capsule, bovine gelatin, glycerin, water, and glycerin. Contains shellfish, krill. Not manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, soy, milk, egg or fish ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings: caution, for adults only. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, especially anticoagulant or antiplatelet medications, or have a medical condition. Do not use this product if you have a seafood allergy. Keep out of reach of children. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Do not eat freshness packet. Keep in bottle. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.